It's now the 36th day of the government shutdown, officially the longest in U.S. history. And it's been a long month for federal employees working without pay and for organizations that rely on government funding. First, SNAP benefits dried up for over 750,000 Alabamians, and local organizations haven't gotten much of the funding they need. In addition, rising healthcare costs and a threat to the Affordable Care Act are leaving Americans worried about the future. Fox 54's Caleb Aguayo shows us the latest for North Alabama.
This government shutdown, now on day 36, is creeping into the forefront of many people's minds, jobs, and bank accounts, hindering federal programs and employees who rely on government funding. North Alabama's U.S. Representative Dale Strong says the government needs to be reopened so that people can keep their heads above the water.
People are frustrated with what's going on in Washington, D.C. It's affecting families. It's affecting children. I'm thankful to the governor of the state of Alabama and the Alabama legislature. They have put $5 million toward this so that those that are the weakest and the hardest hit amongst us will be able to feed their families, but they shouldn't have to.
This is the longest government shutdown in U.S. history, and it's had a widespread impact on local families, with many not getting paychecks for nearly a month. From SNAP benefits drying up to Affordable Care Act subsidies coming under fire, people are afraid for their families and for the food on their table. That's why organizations across Huntsville are coming to First Baptist Church tomorrow and Friday to help the people who need it the most.
This is going to be a one-stop shop for folks that are not sure what's next, because as we understand, federal employees are about to miss their second full paycheck. They had a partial paycheck, and they missed one full paycheck already.
That one-stop shop is going to have career, food, financial, and counseling support ready to help thousands of people. Economics professor Dr. Jason Imbrogno says this shutdown has already had an economic impact on those here in North Alabama, but it'll get even worse as time goes on.
The longer this goes, the worse it will get and the more people will start to be affected. And I think we are starting to reach a stage now where, I don't know if it's a critical mass or what, but enough people are starting to notice or hear from a friend or they know a guy who works for this and you're starting to see that affect more people.
And with those effects, some people here in Huntsville are just trying to get by however they can. In Huntsville, I'm Caleb Aguayo, Fox 54 News.